Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all my friend, how are you all? I wish you are all in good health. In this section, let me to introduce myself. I'm a Padang State University studying majoring in automotive engineering. Education, I have graduated from the Automotive Engineering Associate's degree study program. Currently, I am conducting a transfer course from the Automotive Engineering Associate's degree study program to the Automotive Engineering Education as one degree study program. I'm so glad to learn and speak English, and as English we need to learn from childhood until now. Today I have to share my life experience as a student during the COVID-19 period. The COVID-19 pandemic has spread since of 2019 until now in served regions with different stems, including 193 countries that have strengthened against instrument COVID attack. Wuhan is the one of cities in China as the place of domicile for COVID-19. Sufferers were first discovered before this virus had a pandemic status. News and information on the movement of the spread of the virus have cleared various media paid because the path of distribution is instinctively massive. Every country that has been attacked by COVID-19 has become a model for other countries to take preventive measures against the spread of COVID-19. Even though are different in the political, social, cultural, economic, and education argument in each of the countries. The Indonesian government has issued many politics related to prevent the spread of COVID-19, which has an impact on the internal and external condition of the Indonesian government area. One of the government destinations that had a broad impact was the politics on the education segment. When I continued my undergraduate study in automotive engineering from associate degree in automotive engineering. Through the transfer route in 2020, the implementation of learning in the education unit underwent change, include when I start lecturing. At the beginning of the lecture that I carried out learning turned online as the sole choice in condition of preventing the spread of COVID-19. Even this form of learning can also be interpreted as limited access to education learning that used to take place with direct interaction between lecturing and student has now turned into learning indirect interaction. I think online learning has a positive and negative impact on my life. The positive impact can be interpreted from the condition of education practicing all learning activity by working from home. Working from home or studying from home make me more independent in maximizing the use of technology and information. Previously, I did not have the habit of working on technology, but this condition made me more mathematics and skilled in completing work or online learning such as using application for the learning process. Moreover, digital learning application become a new learning space for teaching staff or lecturing, which make them more optimal is in mastering media-based communication and interaction style. In addition, the negative impacts of online lecturing learning, in my opinion, that is my view by student, is the limited use of the network by studying and lecturing. Although the government has provided internet quota assistance for the learning process, the limited of using the network cannot be afforded, such as students in rural area who live in rural area difficulties during the online learning process. My hope that the COVID-19 pandemic will end in 2022, so that the learning process in Indonesia can run normally and students can carry out face-to-face learning and can gather and meet with friends during school of lecturing. This and also strengthen the ethics of friendship apart from in the learning process. In addition, students also gain maximum knowledge and skill is face-to-face learning is carried out in normal condition. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.